Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Python assignment. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. Code explanation. Prompt the user for a Celsius temperature input. Apply the formula F equals 95 times C plus 3 to F equals \frac 9, 5 times C plus 3 to F equals 59 times C plus 32, and print the Fahrenheit result. Output. A snapshot showing the input and the converted temperature. Step 2. Wholesale cost calculation. Code explanation. Calculate the discounted price per book. Then compute the total cost by adding the shipping for the first 5 copies and the additional cost for the remaining 35 copies. Print the total cost. Output. A snapshot showing the final wholesale cost for 40 copies. Step 3. Walking time calculation. Code explanation. Calculate the total time taken for each segment of the walk using the given speeds, add them together, and display the final time of arrival in HH format. Output. A snapshot showing the time you arrive home for breakfast. Step 4. Race speed calculation. Code explanation. Convert the race time into seconds. Calculate the pace per mile in minutes and seconds, and the average speed in miles per hour. Print the results. Output. A snapshot showing the average pace and speed.
If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.